following video was filmed in a controlled environment with the proper safety supervision and is for educational purposes only. Please do not attempt. This is Easy Lift Door Company, and this is another episode of Can It Be Done? Today, we're in the Nevada desert, and we're with local outdoorsmen, Mark and Jeremy. Today, they're going to show us if a garage door can stop one of these. Let's find out. Thank you for watching our video. We want to remind all of our viewers to not attempt this at home. It was filmed in a controlled environment and safety was a foremost factor in making it. That being said, looks like we learned an important lesson today. Like, garage doors are good for stopping wind and rain, but not bullets. So, contact Easy Lift Door Company and ask about the Wayne Dalton 9100. Available in 5 different styles, and it is an insulated door. Contact us today at easyliftdoor.com.